I recently did an OEM Audio Plus speaker upgrade on my 2017 Toyota 4Runner, and now that that system's been in the vehicle for a few months, I wanted to do a follow-up video to share a little bit more about my overall experience with this system. And in summary, I am very impressed with the system. Here are 5 reasons why I would recommend this system for your 4Runner. Now, the first thing should go without saying, and that is that the OEM Audio Plus system offers a huge improvement in the overall sound quality, and that should go without saying. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend a system if it didn't have good sound quality, and the OEM Audio Plus system has great sound quality. It's really fun every time I get in the vehicle and I turn up the volume to see the difference from that original stock system to the OEM Audio Plus system. Without a doubt, the thing that is most noticeable is that as you crank up the volume, it continues to maintain that clean and crisp sound. A lot of times with the more basic systems, the bass increases as you turn up the music and it just kind of muffles things out, and that's not the case with the OEM Audio Plus upgrade. Now, I do want to point out that this vehicle just has the basic audio system. I don't have the JBL upgrade on the 4Runner, but I do have a 2016 Tacoma that's got the JBL upgrade. And even so, the OEM Audio Plus system is far better than what you get with that JBL system. The second reason that I'd recommend this system for the 4Runner is that it's a complete system and it is vehicle specific. So the components that you get with this upgrade include all of the speakers that you need to upgrade in your 4Runner. You don't have to piece different systems together. You know, if you go on other websites, you might have to choose different speakers and tweeters and kind of piece them together to get the system to work. With this upgrade, they give you everything that you need to upgrade your speakers. And then the other great thing about this system is they're not just throwing random speakers into the vehicle. It truly is vehicle specific. And what that means is that the system has been designed from an acoustic standpoint to really fit the properties of the 4Runner, and the speakers are the exact same dimensions, sizes, bolt placement as your stock speakers. So you don't have to do any cutting when you're doing the installation. You literally pull out your old speakers and screw the new ones right back into place where the old ones were removed. Makes it very easy to do the installation yourself. And that brings me to the third point, which is that the installation of the system is super easy to do it yourself. I actually did the install myself. It took me about an hour and a half to 2 hours to do it. Super easy. Even if you aren't that experienced with do-it-yourself type of projects, this is one that I would recommend doing yourself. If you want to check out my installation video, I'll put a link to it in the upper right-hand corner. The fourth reason that I'd recommend this system is that it really is a good value. This system for the 4Runner is about $650, which may sound a little bit pricey at first, but then if you think about it, you've got 8 speakers total. That's less than $100 a piece. For a system that's going to offer really good sound improvement. It's vehicle specific, it's something that you can do it yourself, and so you don't have to worry about paying somebody to do the installation. In my mind, a really good value that's worth every bit of that $650. And that brings us to the final reason why I'd recommend this system, and that is that they offer it in incremental upgrades. So you can do just the speaker replacement that I did, replace those 8 speakers for $650, or for $1,300, you can do an amplifier and a subwoofer, or for $1,800, you can do the whole upgrade, do the speakers, the amplifier, and the subwoofer, and have a complete system. And the reason why I like that is that a lot of times if you're doing an upgrade, let's say you go to Best Buy and you buy some speakers, maybe they'll put kind of a cheaper speaker in to meet your budget, and then you decide, I'm not really getting the sound quality that I want, I'm gonna go back and do another upgrade. They may replace the speakers that you already put in the vehicle to get you that upgrade. In comparison with this upgrade, it's incremental. So you can choose to go with the speakers, you can choose to go with the amplifier and subwoofer, see if you're getting the sound quality that you want, and maybe down the road, if you feel like it's not enough, or maybe you save up the rest of the money that you want to spend for that second upgrade, then you can go make that second upgrade that's complementary to what you've already got in the vehicle and get that sound quality that you're after. So I really like the fact that that option's available. If I want to go in and get the amplifier and the subwoofer down the road, then it's an option that I've got available. So there you go, that's the overview of the OEM Audio Plus speaker upgrade for the 5th generation 4Runner. I would highly recommend considering this system for your vehicle. If you want to check out more on it, I'll put a link to it in the description below. If you have any other comments or questions on the system, let me know about those. And for more videos of the 5th generation 4Runner, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.